Ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to show you a very special e-commerce product that is expected to grow 5x to over $1 billion in the next 4 years. So this is going to be a very good opportunity for those of you looking for business ideas, especially within e-commerce. And we're going to break down some competitors in this space to see what they're doing to succeed. So we're going to get right in, not waste any time, but make sure you subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this kind of content. Would love to have you join the community. Now, the market I'm talking about is the smart ring market. Now, the first thing I love to do when I look at these things, at some of this research, is look at the Google trend line. You can learn a lot by just looking at literal Google search trends because everybody uses Google. Everybody's using Google to look up their different needs. Now, smart ring is something that is going up exponentially, quite literally exponentially. This is what you call an exponential curve. And it's not surprising to me because there are other smart devices that are also popular, such as smart watches. So rings make sense. Honestly, I'm sure in the future there will be smart earrings, smart necklaces, all sorts of accessories that have additional utility to them, not just fashion. And this is, to me, proof of that, but only time will tell. Now, this market is currently, or in 2022 rather, was valued at $233 million, but it's expected to reach over $1 billion in 2028, which is super fast growth. This is actually something you don't see too much, but here we go. If we look at the first search results, you can learn a lot by literally Google teaches you so much. So you can learn so much by just Googling things. Now, if we look up smart ring, literally, we can look at some of the sponsored results and we see people are spending money to advertise this product, which tells you a lot. So Oura Ring is probably the biggest competitor in this space, or at least the oldest. I've known about Oura Ring for a very long time, and they've really created probably the most premium smart ring possible. They have a membership even, and as you see, just judging by their traffic, they are just continuously popping off more and more and more. And it's awesome to see. Now, their product is very complex. Like, this tells you a lot about your base health, your sleep, and even more things. But there are more affordable alternatives. For example, this Odo Smart Ring 3 that are a bit more basic, right? Like, not everybody wants to know everything about their biometrics. Some people just want to measure their sleep, or they just want to measure the calories that they've burned on that day. So something like this, which is a bit simpler, is great. And you can sell it at a more affordable price, which can capture a large share of the market. Now, let's look further. Let's look at some of this. Let's look at this RingCon. This one is another one that's popping off a lot lately, and it's a lot more expensive. I will say they're going more for a similar vibe as Oura Ring, but it's still cheaper, and it seems to be doing kind of the same thing. They all do the same thing. They just look slightly different. It's kind of funny. I even see that in social media, right? Like Instagram Reels and TikToks, they both do the same thing. They just look slightly different in their branding. Same thing happens with e-commerce. Same thing happens with basically every industry out there. So just start your business. I mean, if you're been procrastinating starting your business, don't, because the people that make it, the big businesses, they just start, and they just keep moving and they never stop unless they go bankrupt. Now, one of the reasons that I love doing all of this research is because I love finding businesses in these specific categories that my agency Akemi can work with, because we've helped brands go from 50K a month to 500K a month, 500K a month to $1 million a month. And it's always been super fun. I absolutely love what we're building here. And I love finding these opportunities because they are what I consider downhill battles, right? Like, you have the upper hand in a market that's growing, 5x in the next few years. With a market like this, you can grow pretty fast, especially with paid media and, just understanding marketing behind your business, organic content, building some sort of movement. And that's what we try to help with. But let me show you real quick a video here of this product. So this is another competitor, and it's very premium looking. This looks very nice. I mean, it's pretty simple. It doesn't really do much. It's just literally an unboxing. It looks nice though, actually. This has a very nice design, and that's really it. Super cool app. And that's about it. I mean, this is a great niche. Like I said, even on Alibaba, you can find some pretty awesome alternatives for affordable prices and low minimum order quantities. Like this one, you can order for $20. And I mean, if you can provide this product for under $100 and it's actually good quality, I think you could capture a crazy amount of the market. And, you know, I would do it myself, but unfortunately, I'm only one person and I can't possibly be building all these businesses on my own. So if you are a person building this kind of business, reach out to me. I would love to help you, whether it be through my team or resources or maybe investing in the company. I'm always looking for these kinds of opportunities. So make sure that you reach out at akemilab.com through our forum. But I think this is a brilliant idea, really, for anybody to do. I think this one specifically is super cool. The gold one, I think that one looks so nice. And I mean, for $20 to $26, if you can price it at $99, that's a really nice margin. And again, it's a growing market and there's a lot of good content opportunities that come with it. So that's really it for this video. I just wanted to share this idea with you. I saw it in the Akemilab Discord and I thought it was such a good opportunity. Then I did further digging into the market and realized just how fast it's actually growing. So great e-commerce trend here. And if you enjoyed it, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and tune in every single day for the content that we're dropping. But that's about it for this one. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.